Look at the figure to understand the parts of an IC engine. Exhaust valve, cylinder, piston, piston rings, connecting rod, crankshaft, crankcase, crank, inlet valve, spark plug or injector. Major components of an IC engine. Cylinder block. The cylinder block is usually made of a single casting. In water-cooled engines, the cylinder block is provided with water jackets for the circulation of cool water. Crankcase. This may be cast integral with cylinder block. Sometimes it is cast separately and then attached to the block. The material used for crankcases are cast iron or aluminum. Piston. The piston transmits the force of explosion in the cylinder to the crankshaft through connecting rod. The top of the piston is called crown. The bottom portion is known as skirt. Crown is made thicker than the skirt. There are 3 grooves to accommodate piston rings. 2 grooves are of smaller width and they are meant for compression ring. 1 groove is of slightly larger width and it is to accommodate oil ring. Some of the materials used for the piston are cast iron, aluminum alloy, nickel iron alloy and cast steel. Piston rings. Piston rings are inserted in the grooves provided in the piston. 2 types of piston rings are used in a piston. One is known as oil scraper ring. It wipes off the excess oil in the engine cylinder. Other rings are known as compression rings. There should be at least 2 compression rings in each piston. They form an effective seal for the high pressure gases from the combustion chamber against leak into the lower portion of the cylinder. Connecting rod. The function of the connecting rod is to convert the reciprocating motion of the piston into rotary motion of the crankshaft. The small end of the connecting rod has a solid eye or a split eye. This end is connected to the piston by means of a gudgeon pin. The other end is known as big end of the connecting rod. This is always split. This is connected to the crank. Crankshaft. Power is obtained from the crankshaft. The crankshaft in combination with connecting rod converts reciprocating motion of the piston into rotary motion. Valves. Each cylinder is provided with 2 valves, one for the inlet and the other for outlet. The valve stem moves up and down in the valve guide. The valve seats at the valve port. The valve opens when it rises up the seat and closes when it falls back to its seat.